my god, look, it looks really, really bad in the camera. Oh. Good morning mga palangga. Happy Sunday. It's selling day. So, napakaaga natin ngayon. It's still 6:33 in the morning. Alam nyo ba, I think this is the earliest na nakarating ako dito sa ating market, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Ako yung first dito. Ayan. And, pinano ko talaga siya na maaga ako today. Like, mas maaga ako today. Kasi gusto kong dito ako sa harapan ng back door. Harapan ng back door. Kasi, mamaya, kapag nilabas na yung mga gamit or ibalik yung mga gamit sa sasakyan, ginagamit ko tong back door na to. It's very convenient sa akin. And, ayan, tingnan yung bitbit natin. Napakabigat niyan, guys. Ayan. Sa likuran pa, meron 2 bagahe. So, yeah, good luck sa muscles ni mami niyo today. Tamang exercise lang. Extra marami yung binitbit natin today kasi this is the last day, well, the last market of the year. So, it's the 22nd of December. Kaya, yung ginawa nila, guys, kahit na 1 stall lang yung binook ko, ginawa nilang 2. So, they added 1 for free, which is, very generous of them. Kasi, more racks or more stalls, more stuff na may lalagay natin. And it means there's more chance of, selling our stuff. Kaya, I'm very excited for today. Kaya lang, hindi ako excited sa pagbitbit, sa ang tawag ito, sa pag-carry, kasi bigat-bigat kaya niyan, guys. Mag-lip balm muna tayo. Kasi mukhang dry na ang ating lips. Hopefully, maraming tao today, guys. Kasi, alam nyo, 3 days till Christmas. I think everyone is already busy. Naka-holiday na yung karamihan. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes today. Hello everyone! 1:03 ng hapon na nasa bahay na tayo, guys. Ah, my God, I can feel my muscles. Tingnan niyo, laki na ng muscles ni mami niyo. Kita niyo ba kanina? Sobrang bigat kaya ng binubuhat ko, guys. So, ang ating family ay wala dito. Si Daddy Mike, dinala niya yung mga girls sa Carindale Shopping Center. So, they're having lunch there, and then they're probably doing some shopping before Christmas shopping, kasi nakabili ako ng mga regalo na for the kids, but parang kay Santa na regalo yun. So yung regalo from us, hindi pa. So I think yun yung gagawin ni Daddy Mike ngayon. And si mami nyo ay hindi pa kumain. I'm very, very hungry. Hindi rin ako umagahan kanina, guys. So, this is my first meal sa araw na to. 1 o'clock. But I drank water. Hindi pwedeng walang water. Pwede naman bumili ng sandwich doon. Kaya lang kanina naging busy. So, hindi na ako nagka-time na bumili. And, yeah, I've done well today. Once again, so I'm very happy, guys. Madali akong umuwi kasi meron tayong appointment, guys. But, pagkarating ko dito, nag-message naman sa akin si Amy, yung friend ko, na medyo delay daw and she's not picking me up until 2. So, meron pa akong 1 oras na mag-relax. And I have to take my makeup off And also maybe contact lenses. Sabi ni Amy, you don't have to take your contact lenses off, but I will. Kasi alam niyo ba yung gagawin natin today, guys? I am very, very excited because finally I am doing something for myself na I've never done before. This is the first time that I'm going to do it. Karamihan sa inyo ang nag-comment na bakit hindi mo to gawin, Mami Jovi, para mawala yan? So I'm talking about my melasma. So look, here's my melasma here. Hindi siya masyadong kita yan siya, pero hindi siya masyadong kitang-kita talaga because I have foundation on. Light lang naman. Tapos dito, ayan. And for some reason, ever since na nag-stop si baby Celine na magdede, ewan ko lang, hormones siguro to, guys, but I have like freaking big pimples all over my face. Tingnan nyo, ito mga marks, pimple marks. Diyan meron. So finally today we are doing laser. I'm really hoping and I'm praying that it will help to minimize, kung hindi man mawala, kahit ma-minimize lang yung ating melasma, guys. Kasi ayan gusto ko lang magkaroon ng clear face para naman mas confident tayo na lumabas kahit walang makeup. Ako naman, wala namang problema sa akin. Lumalabas ako, guys, na walang makeup kahit na may mga melasma pa ako dyan. But, mas komportable kang lumabas na yung bang clear yung skin mo. So finally, I'm doing it today. Amy will come with me. So Amy, yung friend ko na tayo. She's coming with me because yung place na pupuntahan namin for this, ano pala tawag dito? Picoway. Ay client niya sa Louis Vuitton. So, since magkakilala sila, they are going to give me a special price because of Amy. So, that's why Amy will come with me. Kung napanood nyo yung previous video natin, guys, like earlier this year, like I wanted to do it then, but nung pagdating namin doon, I mentioned na I'm breastfeeding and they said, sorry, we can't do it. So, yun yung nangyari. Umuwi akong luhaan. Hindi nila ginawa yung laser nga kasi nagpapadede pa ako. But ngayon, hindi na tayo nagpapadede, guys. And we are now free to do this laser. And for special price as well because kaibigan, client ni Amy. So, yeah. I'm super excited, guys. I'll take my makeup off para makita nyo yung before and after. Kasi yan yung ang tawag dito. Parang nasisiyahan ako magtingin-tingin sa mga videos na ganyan, yung before and after. Daddy Mike just sent me this video. Tingnan nyo yung ginagawa nila ngayon. Some face painting.
Can you take a bit? Take a photo and...
Yeah, I will.
Yan It's so cute. Ayan. So, mamaya pa kami makikita nito ng mga girls at saka ni Daddy Mike, guys, pagka uwi ko from my, my laser. Buti na lang, meron tayong sales today. My God. Akala ko talaga very quiet kasi it's nearly Christmas, alis na yung mga mag-holiday na ganun. Pero busy pa rin pala. So, I'm very happy kasi meron tayong pambayad sa ating laser. Meron tayong pambayad sa ating laser. Thank you, Lord. See, kahit na mabigat, guys, gura lang ng gura. Kasi, alam niyo, sa buhay, may mga wants, may mga needs, may mga wants, may mga likes, diba? Naubusan na pala ako ng micellar water. I'll just use the toner, guys. Last time pumunta ako doon, sabi niya na she can also go over my eyebrows. So, alam niyo naman, guys, ang eyebrow ni mami niyo ay from 19 Forgotten. I think like 8 years ago or 10 years ago. So, may ano na siya, may redness nang nagaganap. So sabi niya, nakita niya last time, sabi niya, we can also, yung laser para isahan ba. Kasi, dito, magpa-eyebrow, tattoo removal, another bayad. So, kung gagawin din naman niya yung face ko, gawin na lang din yung eyebrow para isahan na, di ba? Ayan, kitang-kita na, oh. Kitang-kita na ang sikreto. Hindi man siguro kita dito sa ng mabuti. Sa bathroom. Ayan, oh. See? Kita nyo yan? So, mainly talaga dito sa aking cheeks. Dito sa baba, wala masyado. And then here. And then here. Ito naman siya, mga na to, mga pimple marks. So hopefully the Picoway will also help lighten it up. Yeah. Tapos sa noo. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. So we'll see kung ano yung magiging resulta, guys, ng laser natin na to. I'm super excited. Can I sit here? Yeah, hi! Oh god, my bum is so hot!
Yeah.
It's Amy!
Hi.
Yeah, we're gonna go do some beauty stuff. Tayo, guys. It's like a deja vu. I remember we came here last time.
And we cannot do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, breastfeeding.
Yes, I'm not breastfeeding anymore. Yay!
Cool, yeah, okay. Yeah, so let's do it.
Yes, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, right?
Yeah, it's going to be very bright.
Yeah, cool.
So,
Wish me luck. It feels like I'm having a baby, like a delivery room or something.
yeah, you're getting nervous. It's okay.
Not too bad.
First, we have thin skin, so
Yeah.
you may have some redness, some red spots, and actually, but not like the skin. It got so many layers. So it's not like paper. So.
Na-wash na yung face natin. So, ganyan na siya. Yeah, just like
this
that.
one? Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Better. Because you're very hot.
Yeah, I'm hot. Yeah, that's what my husband told me.
Okay, stretch this one. Cool. Yeah. So there's some serum. I put a tissue there. Then you become blue.
Oh,
Okay.
oh goodness.
Okay.
On my eyebrow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we treated the last.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'll go to tell Amy you.
Tell her I'm alright. I'm alive.
Yeah. She can come in. It's okay. Yeah, it's just the laser. It's not really good for the eye.
I made it. Wow, the eyebrow.
Yeah.
It looks like I just had a new eyebrow or something.
Feels like. Yeah. Okay, recovery cream. scarf.
yeah.
Yeah. So maybe peel off like 1 week.
Ah.
1 week. Yeah, you know.
Wow.
Yeah. So some sunscreen. I'll put some sunscreen because we just finished the treatment. Okay. Okay, all done.
All done. My God. Oh.
Okay.
Wow. look at
Today. What is? Sunday. Yeah,
Yeah.
Sunday. Maybe next Sunday you'll be all good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Just be patient.
So do you reckon like for Christmas I'll be like scarring and everything for Christmas? Oh. What a perfect time. Oh my God! Look, it looks really, really bad in the camera. Oh, this is my face straight after the Picoway. Oh my God. So, like what I said before, guys, she also did my eyebrows, and the eyebrows was the most painful out of everything. The face was fine. It's painful, but it's bearable. Yeah, it's like
Someone hit you with the band.
yeah, like that.
Yeah.
If it's 1, 2, 3, it's fine, but it's like oh my God. But yeah, look at this face, guys. Hopefully in a few days time this will clear up. Apparently tomorrow there will be scarring that's going to happen. I look like very dirty. I look like I got like chocolate on my face or what. But yeah, see, that is real footage, right? There's no filter. That's my face. My God, that's my face. Oh well, we'll see. Hopefully, yeah, in the next few days, guys, it will clear up. So she said maybe in 1 week time it will.
Yeah, it will clear off.
Yeah.
Like fully.
It will fall. Like what's gonna
Back to
happen?
normal.
It will fall. Like will the skin will come off?
2-3 days.
Mm.
The dark spot that you saw right now, it
Yeah.
will come off, peel off.
Yeah.
It will either come off from as a pigment, like how does that say, like a scar come off,
Yeah.
or it will go through when you drink a lot of water.
Yeah, she said like when you wee. That's interesting. But yeah, apparently it will come out when you wee, guys. That's why you're not allowed to do it when you're breastfeeding, because it will go inside your system. Then your baby might, get it. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. We'll keep you updated, guys. I'm not sure what's gonna happen with this eyebrow, but she said don't worry, it looks like really dark right now, but it won't lighten up. But it looks like I had a new set of eyebrow.
Yeah.
Like I just did a thing, because it was red before, right? So now it's gray. Oh my God, my face. Oh my goodness, do you think that Michael still love me? Oh my God, but you know what, guys, I'm super happy that I'm now able to do it, because I've been waiting for this for so long. I'm so happy I sold something this morning so I could pay for it. And really, thank you so much to Amy. Like, seriously, Amy, thank you so much. Yeah. Because like if it's not for her, how much you gonna charge?
600 or 700.
Yes, it's like 40% off. It's like 40% off. Yeah,
Yeah,
because
600-700, and we pay 4. So
yeah.
I'm not sure.
I don't
Ask
know.
Ingrid with
Yeah.
math.
My math is not working, but yeah, something like that. But yeah, I only paid $400 for this because they're Amy's. What do you call it, Amy?
Clients.
Yeah, clients at Louis Vuitton. Yeah. Next time, Amy, give me some discount, Louis Vuitton. And Amy has to wait. So and she also drove. So yeah, I really appreciate it. Merry Christmas, Amy.
Merry Christmas.
Yay!
you?
Good, good.
That's good.
Oh, look at your face. He's so cute.
That's why we paid from the day when we was eating pizza.
Oh, you're eating pizza?
Yeah.
How's it down?
Julian's Real and I'm Hostage and his girlfriend.
That is so cute, baby. So cute.
Wheel.
Yeah, Lenny, show me your reindeer. Wow.
I have a shiny nose, Mama.
Yes.
Mama, I have a shiny
Oh,
nose.
I have a shiny nose. I can see it. Kiss us, Mama, baby.
Doing the rest of them.
Yeah, love you.
I was going to get a real, but I changed my mind to Stitch and his girlfriend.
That looks cute, Ate.
Why didn't you take our car? Mama, you look up.
No.
Look what I got.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, so we're not opening that until Christmas. Yes. Because
That's the first one.
look what I got too. Mama, I'm doing you recognize Daddy? Mama, I'm going to trick you in the drawing.
Did you get a haircut, Daddy?
Mama, I have a spider. I have a tiny... I have a tiny spider. Mama, I have a tiny spider.
Tiny spider. Yeah, see you Christmas.
So what's happening?
Nothing. Just eating.
Just eating
Chilling.
good
This
food.
time is small group. Just us, our family.
Mom, you're going to see Amy.
I was thinking the other day, were we at your house last Christmas Day?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I remember being. I just didn't remember what day it was.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, we
I
were
remember-
Christmas.
25th.
Yeah, I just remember. It was
But
Christmas.
there were lots of people. Yeah. Well, Mama did the Lisa. Look.
Mom, what's
Agai,
Lisa? I'm just showing my face.
Look at my face.
So did they say?
What happened?
What happened? What do you think?
Good.
Good? Oh, good. What do you think? Ate, my face?
Good.
It's burnt. Good? Anak, gada mo na ako dahil.
Did
Good
they say
man
anything?
yan.
Like, what are they expecting? What are they expecting?
Expect what?
What are they expecting? Is it gonna like? Did they think it went well?
Yeah. Look, so see, that's my
I know what it is.
presentation. So the laser makes it like darker, and then like in a few days time, it will slowly lighten up. Hopefully, yeah, because yeah, that's so cute. I think this is too small.
No.
Just.
Yeah, but there's a big difference between the size above and that one.
Mom, I'm
The size above.
Oh my God, you have so many toys, Ling.
Yeah. We bought toys because we'll just give us $200 each.
$200 each.
Mama,
$100
Mama,
each.
Mama, I want to show
Lucky
you
girls.
party at home.
Okay.
I spent some money.
So
on
it's
it.
your party.
Okay, show me.
My dress, your face.
I love that.
Yeah. You got the dress? Hey, no.
Yeah.
Okay, diamond. The Barbie dress.
Yeah, you show mommy.
1 to 10. What's it called? Lamp. Look at I have. Look at this dress. I'm going to open this on Christmas.
Show. Right.
That's mine.
Show them. Open it up, please.
What?
Open it up, bud.
This. Mom, if the baby's crying, you can put what did you say? Head off.
Bobby.
Mom, see, I want to show you a magic trick. Mama, I want you to show you a magic trick. What's this?
3 and 4, I think.
Mom, you know I can do a magic trick?
Hi, Bobby.
Did I like that shut up?
Can. Mama.
Yeah, that shut.
And I want this. Hi, Mama.
My auntie chose that color.
Hi, Ken. Yeah.
6 hours later, ganito na ang ating mukha. God, Jesus Christ, I can't believe it, guys. Grabe. Look. At ang ating eyebrow, ayan, gray pa rin siya. But yeah, that's our face. Oh. So, tonight, ay mag-ano lang ako actually this is really perfect for it. Nature Recovery Mask Pack Snail Firming Moisturizing. Surprisingly, guys, I don't feel anything like hot anymore sa aking mukha. Kasi yun yung sinasabi ni ate kanina na normally you feel hot on your face and that. Oh, yes, baby. I'm sorry. Mama is cutting it now, baby. But sa akin, hindi. Wala na akong maramdaman ngayon na init or sakit. Nothing like that. Ganyan lang talaga siya, oh. Mukha siyang double-double.
On the plate.
Yeah, it's in the plate, anak. Here you go, sweetheart. What do you say to Mama?
Thank you.
You're welcome, princess. So, buti na lang, marami akong mask dito kasi every time na we have box from Korea, ito yung mga pa-freebies nila. This collagen. What's this one? Madami. So, every night daw, ito yung gagamitin. And, ano lang, kailangan moisturizer tsaka sunscreen. Very important yung sunscreen, guys. At sinabi pa niya sa akin na bumili daw ako ng, alam niyo yung hat na parang, yung pang, ano ka, magsasaka na hat, ganun. Kasi para cover talaga yung face mo kasi bawal mainitan yung mukha after the laser. Kasi nga baka mag-worst ba. Hi!
Hello, guys.
Show your teeth. Ito nga. Ito ay hingo na rin, guys. Ayan. What do you think about my face, Daddy?
It looks beautiful, but obviously it's going to take a little bit of time to heal. Yeah. But seriously. Yeah, it's beautiful to me.
Look at that. See? It looks like it's been punched a few times.
No, it doesn't. Gorgeous.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Hey, Papa.
What do we have going on here?
Ay, paling.
Welcome, Gabi.
And then we're gonna have a shower, okay? You show them what you're eating. You're a deer. You're a reindeer. Oh, Louie! Louie! Louie wants to join.
Louis wants to see. See?
There's a Louie.
I think he wants some strawberry. He wants a strawberry.
What should we put down?
Anyways, guys, i-end ko na yung vlog dito. And then, bukas, mag-vlog ulit tayo para makita niyo yung kaibahan. I mean, like, progress ng ating mukha. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good.
You can't go. Bye.
Be careful.
Careful.
Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Mwah. I'm like Santa Claus.
Bye, Santa Claus.